Hi everyone, welcome to the new video. 4 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 80. Find the value of x. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 4 power x plus 4 power x is equal to 80. From these both terms we take 4 power x common. It's 1 plus 1 is equal to 80. It will be 4 power x times 1 plus 1 2 is equal to 80. Now divide both sides of the equation by 2. 4 power x times 2 over 2 is equal to 80 over 2. 2 cancel with 2. 2 1 2 40. So 4 power x equals 40. Take the logarithm on both sides of the equation to find the value of x. Log of 4 power x equals log of 40. Now we will use the power rule of log on the left side, which is log of m raised to the power n always equals to n times log of m. So it will be x times log of 4 is equal to log of 40. We can write this as x log of 4 equals to log of 40 can be written as 4 into 10. Divide log 4 on both sides of the equation. Log 4, log 4. Log 4 cancel with log 4. X equals log of 4 into 10 over log of 4. We will use a formula for the numerator. Log of m times n always equals to log of m plus log of n. So x will be equal to log of 4 plus log of 10. Log 4 here and log 4 here. Log 4 cancel log 4. X equals 1 plus log of 10 over log of 4. We can write this as 1 plus log of 10 is 2 into 5 over log of 4. Now x equals 1 plus log of 2 plus log of 5 and this of log 4 can be written as log of 2 square and here log of 2 square. We will use the power rule of log on these two denominators. So x will be equal to 1 plus log of 2 over 2 times log of 2 plus log of 5 over 2 times log of 2. Log 2 cancel with log 2. We have x equals 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 5 over log of 2. Now use the formula quotient rule. Log of m over log of n is equal to log of m with the base n. So our final value of x equals, taking 2 LCM, 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 2, plus 1, 3 by 2, plus 1 by 2, log of m 5, n 2. So this is the final value of x. But we have to check this value of x whether it is correct or not. We have given equation 4 power x plus 4 power x equals 80. But after the simplification we get 4 power x equals 40, or 4 power x equals 40. Putting the value of x here will be 4 power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 5 with the base 2, 40. We can write this as a power m plus n is always equals to a power m times a power n. It will be 4 power 3 by 2 times 4 power 1 by 2 log of 5, 2 equals 40. This can be done as 2 square whole power 3 by 2. This is 2 square 1 by 2 log of 5 with the base 2 equals 40. 2 cancel with 2 and 2 cancel with 2. We have 2 power 3 times 2 power log of 5 with the base 2 equals 40. Now use a formula for this term. It will be a power log of b with the base a always equals to b. So 2 power 3 is 8 and this whole term will be replaced by b. Our a is 2 and b is 5, so it will be 5. 8 into 5 is 40. 40 equals 40. Means left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. Our value of x, which is this 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 5 with the base 2, is the final answer. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily math algebra problems. And thank you for watching this video.